Hi, everybody. This is Don Ferguson with another episode of Viper Consulting TV. We've had a lot of you write in and asking, how do I find a great chiropractor? Today we have with us Dr. Fluitt of Austin Preferred Spine and Sports Rehab. How are you doing today, Dr. Fluitt?
I'm doing fine, thank you. How are you doing?
I am doing great, Dr. Fluitt. A lot of our people have been asking, how do I find a chiropractor? Especially, how do I find a great chiropractor? What advice would you have for our listeners?
Well, I think the first thing you'd always just go with your, ask a family member, ask a friend, who do they go see? Do they recommend them? That's a good option. Also, going online with this day and age of online media and social media, you can Google that chiropractor and find out reviews. And a lot of times there'll be good reviews, there'll be great reviews, and I would just go with someone that has a really good online reputation, along with a referral from a family member or a friend.
Well, Dr. Fluitt, because of your expertise in the field of 13 years, how is your practice different from others in your market?
I think our practice is a little bit different than most. It's not just a chiropractic clinic. It's not just a physical therapy clinic. We actually combine chiropractic with physical therapy and medical massage. So if someone isn't really getting better with chiropractic, or if they're not really getting better with physical therapy, a lot of times if you combine chiropractic treatment with physical therapy treatment, a lot of times you'll get the most optimal result. So I think that's kind of what makes us unique and different than most.
Well, very good. Well, Dr. Fluitt, I know you do something special for new patients. What is it you do?
We actually offer free complimentary consultations, and within that consultation, you can come into the office. We'll evaluate you. I'll give you my assessment and give you my treatment options. And within that consultation, I can tell you if that's something that we can help you with, and I can tell you how much it's going to cost and how long it'll take.
Well, very good, Dr. Fluitt. We really appreciate your time today on letting everybody know how do I find a great chiropractor. Thanks for coming with us today.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. And that'd be pretty much an interview right there after your thank you. I'll go ahead and edit that part.
Okay.
How did it feel?
I think I actually kind of stumbled on a couple. I stumbled more on this one than I did the time before, I think. I tried
Well,
not
you're,
to myself move a little bit.
you're criticizing yourself a little hard. You did really good. For some reason, I was feeling it was a little bit short, to tell you the truth. But I couldn't see my little clock that was ticking. Again, our optimum is like right around 5 minutes. And I think we're pretty close to that. So, yeah, I think we're pretty close to that. Do you want to do one more take?
Why don't we do one more take, and that way we can kind of look at the two and see which one we like better.
Okay. Okay. Let me get my lower third done here. Yeah, that's a good thing about leaving it running because we can go ahead and re-edit it. Okay. Hi, everybody. This is Don Ferguson with Viper Consulting TV. We have with us today Dr. Fluitt with Austin Preferred Spine and Sports Rehab. How you doing, Dr. Fluitt?
I'm doing fine, thank you. How are you doing?
We got to do this again. My screen locked up. Go
Okay.
ahead and pop for me one more time.
What's that?
There. Okay, switched over. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Hi, everybody. This is Don Ferguson with ViperConsulting.tv. We've had a lot of you ask, how do I find a great chiropractor? And today we have with us Dr. Fluitt of Austin Preferred Spine Sports Rehab in Austin, Texas. How you doing, Dr. Fluitt?
I'm doing fine, thank you. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. Thanks a lot. Thanks for asking. Dr. Fluitt, a lot of our listeners have been asking, how do I find a great chiropractor? How is it you find a great chiropractor?
Well, I think first you just go with, word of mouth. Word of mouth from a friend, word of mouth from a family member, someone that's gone to a place that they recommend. And I think you use that, and I think you also go online and you check their reputation online. This day and age, most people will always go on and write a review. And I think you can check out that provider and looking at the reviews, and if they have a good online reputation, that's a good starting place.
Well, Dr. Fluitt, because of your expertise in the field, how is your business different from others in the market?
Well, I think ours is very unique. My office is not only a chiropractic practice, but it's also a physical therapy practice, and we also offer medical massage. So with those three components, it's kind of an integrated multidisciplinary clinic. And so if people aren't really getting better with chiropractic, or maybe they're just a little bit better, or with physical therapy, if they're not getting all the way better, if you add physical therapy and add chiropractic together, sometimes you can get the most optimal results and get them better quicker. So I think that's what makes our office a little bit unique, is that we offer more than just one technique, more than just one discipline to our patients.
Well, that's very unique. Like you said, a lot of chiropractor offices, they don't have physical therapists on staff. So I think that's pretty unique, and that's great for your clients.
Yeah, it kind of makes us more of a, there's, at least in Austin, there's not too many, if you shop around, there's not too many places that offer chiropractic and physical therapy in one place.
Well, Dr. Fluitt, I know you do something special for brand new patients. What is it you do?
We actually offer free complimentary consultations, and within that consultation, you can come to our office, you can check out our office, we can introduce ourselves, and then I can evaluate you, see if there's something that we can help you with. In short, basically, people want to know what's going on with them, what their diagnosis is, how long is it going to take to treat it, and how much is it going to cost. And we can answer all those questions within that free initial consultation.
Well, very good. Dr. Fluitt, we really appreciate your time and letting our people know how to find a great chiropractor. This has been another episode of Viper Consulting TV. Dr. Fluitt, you have a great day.
You have a great day as well. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. We're like about a minute short there is what we are. Let me ask you one more question here. And we can quit here if you want, or we can go and do one more. I mean, you're a chiropractor. Is there anything certain chiropractors are known for other than others? I mean, by the way that you treat people? I mean,
Right.
like any specialty kind of thing? Or how can we expand the part out where you're talking about how you're different in the marketplace?
I can elaborate on that second question. I can elaborate a little bit more and go a little bit more specific than just saying chiropractic and physical therapy.
Okay. Because if you see me in the background, kind of like going like this, that means slower down. But we just need to stretch that out a little bit more. Let's go ahead and try and stretch out a little bit more. Let's just do this take right here, and I think this will be the best one here yet. Okay.
All right, I'm going to set my phone away because it was vibrating on the last one.
Okay.
We're going
Open the door and you'd be like mid-inch.
we're going to do one more.
So one more round?
Yeah.
Did it go good?
We're going to do it again. We're going to make it a little bit longer.
Okay. I'm gonna stay out here then.
Okay.
On my
She's getting tired of listening to us talk already, isn't she?
Oh, she's like stepping out the door. She's like, I'll step out.
Okay. Let's go ahead and get her going then. Hi, everybody. This is Don Ferguson with Viper Consulting TV. We've had a lot of you ask, how do I find a great chiropractor? Well, we got an expert with us today, Dr. Fluitt, with Austin Preferred Spine and Sports Rehab. How you doing, Dr. Fluitt?
I'm doing fine, thank you. How are you doing?
I am doing great. Dr. Fluitt, if somebody is looking for a chiropractor, what is it they look for in trying to find one?
Well, I think first you go on, word of mouth, asking friends or family members who they go to. I think that's always a good start. Also, with this day and age, I would go online. If you just Google that particular provider's name, you Google it, you'll find all these reviews on that particular provider, and I think that's the best way to really figure out someone's reputation is by going online.
Very good. Well, Dr. Fluitt, because of your expertise in the field, how is your practice different from others in the market?
Well, I think our office is very unique because not only does it offer chiropractic, it also offers physical therapy, and we also offer medical massage. So if someone has a spine pain, let's say a disc herniation, then a lot of times within physical therapy, our physical therapists are certified with McKenzie. So McKenzie technique is one of the best techniques to treat a disc herniation. And you add that along with spinal decompression, which is another technique that we offer, And those two techniques are the best options or the best treatment protocols for treating someone that has a disc herniation. Then if you're more have a sports injury, usually physical therapy helps treat that, but also our providers are certified in ART, active release technique. ART is a technique that a lot of chiropractors and physical therapists will get certified in to treat soft tissue injuries. So all your plantar fasciitis, all your repetitive strain injuries with your runners, IT band, plantar fasciitis, piriformis syndrome, runner's knee, all those muscle tendonitis issues that are repetitive strain injuries, ART is one of the best treatment protocols for that. So I think not only just having chiropractic, but not only also having physical therapy, we also have certain techniques that also put us apart than most. So that's what I think our office brings to the table, a little bit different than most offices. Actually, in Austin, there's not too many clinics that actually offer chiropractic and physical therapy in one place. So basically, we're kind of a one-stop shop for treating anything from backaches to neck pain to any of your sports injuries as well. So I think that makes us different.
You guys are pretty thorough. I didn't realize physical therapy therapists did all that much, or chiropractors either. I mean, I think it's great that you guys are combined.
Well, I think, a lot of times you'll see that a provider might be specialized in one technique or another technique, but when you have more than one provider, they might be really good at treating one thing, but the other provider is really good at treating the other diagnosis. So that's what makes us really good, is because we kind of work together as a cohesive team.
Well, Dr. Fluitt, I know you do something special for new patients. What is it you do?
We actually offer free complimentary consultations. So which that means is that you can come in, we're not going to bill your insurance, we're not going to charge you anything, you can just come in, let me evaluate you, you can check out our office, see if it's something that you want to continue with. Basically on that free initial consultation, we'll help evaluate you, see what your diagnosis is, see if it's something that we can help you with. We can tell you how much it's going to cost and how long it'll take. So pretty much we'll answer all those questions that you have up front.
Well, Dr. Fluitt, you've been very thorough. Our viewers appreciate it. And again, I don't think we realized there was so much involved with the combination of a chiropractor and a physical therapist. I think a lot of people thought it was one or the other. So it's nice to see how you guys move things back and forth. I think it has been very beneficial. Thank you so much.
Well, thank you. Thank you for the opportunity.
This is Don Ferguson with Viper Consulting TV. Another episode done with how to find a great chiropractor. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Okay. I think that was totally the best one yet.
Yeah, I think so too.